Welcome, in front of me is a Google Pixel Fold, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So, to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and you want to swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. On one of the pages you should see the screen recording toggle. For me it is located on a second page right over here. Now that being said, you can record your screen either when it's unfolded or folded, it doesn't really matter. So just to kind of show this, if I open it up, I still have the option to record the screen right over here. And it will work just the same way as the cover display, just with the difference that here you'll be recording more screen. So let's get to that toggle once more. Now here we can just tap on it. It will give us a couple options, so we can record audio. By default this will be turned off, meaning it won't be recording any audio. If you turn it on, the default one is going to be recording the device's audio. You can also tap on a text and select to record microphone or both, device and mic. So you can choose whichever one you want. I personally will keep it off. Next, below that we have the show touches on the screen. I'm going to enable this just so you can see how that looks like on a recording, but basically what we'll do is record a semi-transparent gray dot on a screen wherever my finger was pressing it. And we can select start. It will begin a 3-second countdown and then begin recording. So I'm just going to kind of move my finger right here just so we can see that dot later on. So whatever application you'll open right now will be recorded by the device. So I'm just kind of fiddling around just so there's something. Now once we're done recording, we can just pull down our notifications and select right here to stop. Now one more thing that I will add for the screen recording is you might sometimes encounter your screen recording will provide you with just a fully black screen. This will happen when, for instance, you try to record Netflix or basically any other streaming platform. And just to kind of explain what that is, it's an application that has a little bit too much control over your device and is able to basically block your screen recorder from being able to record said content from the application. Now, this option itself to block screen recorders is designed to protect you as the user of your own device, so your data won't be stolen. For instance, if you have a bank application that you're running and you're logging into it, that would prevent someone that is trying to peek in, meaning through like screen recorders or stuff like that, to what you're typing in as your PIN. This would basically prevent that from happening. Now, in terms of a bank application, that is done to protect you. In terms of Netflix, you damn well be sure that it's not. At least not for your protection, but for the protection of Netflix's wallets. So yeah. And that being said, there's nothing you can do about it. So whenever you encounter this, just, I guess the best way I can say it is suck it up, because we have absolutely no control over our own device apparently. Anyway, that being said, let's find our screen recording that I have captured, which can be done by going into the Photos application. Once it loads. Come on. Just give it a second. Now, it's right now loading videos from and pictures from the account. But in any case, we're going to select right here the Library tab, and this will show us a folder view or album, depending on how you want to call it. I guess it's going to be albums. Now here we have two. We have screenshots and movies, and I believe both of them. Nope, these are just screenshots, so never mind. So only the movies will contain your screen recordings. So you can click on that, and you can see there's two of them. I'm gonna play the first one, or the newest one, which is the one that I have captured. And here you can see that dot, that is where my finger was pressing, and as you can see, it's obviously visible on the screen recording. For gameplays, this might be a little bit distracting, so you might want to keep that off. But for videos like I was doing, or am doing right now, might be a pretty good option. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.